Now I'm going to show you how to mount the monitor to the DIN rail. So this piece of DIN rail will come with every monitor in the box with it. It'll also have the DIN rail stoppers that you can put on the ends, right on the edge of the monitor, so that it won't slide back and forth. The first step is going to be taking off the Phillips head screw here, so that you can get this right side cover off, and then you'll pull this black tab down to release this latch so that we can get it onto the DIN rail. So when you're mounting the monitor onto the DIN rail, you want to make sure that these two tabs here are seating down onto the lip of the DIN rail. Kind of center it, press it down. Then once you get that set, you can press this black tab back up to the DIN rail here. You can kind of wiggle it back and forth, make sure that you're attached. Then you can grab your stops here. These are the same thing. They've got a Phillips head screw on here, so that when you tighten this up, it'll press against the back of the DIN rail and actually hold the monitor in place from sliding back and forth. So what you want to do is back that screw out a little bit so that this piece is movable, and then set it on the DIN rail. Then as you tighten this, it'll press against the wall there and tighten this up so that the monitor won't slide.